Today we'll be starting a new unit called Transformation of Shape. First, what I want you to do is make sure you have your booklet, pencil, an eraser, red pen, and a ruler. Write your name, number, and group. Make sure you write it neatly. And we'll go on to the first page. First page has the 3 words vocabulary we're going to be using for this unit, and that is slide, flip, and turn. It's a little bit hard to tell on this graph, so I'll show you with my eraser. When you slide, it can go up and down on the paper or left and right, like this. This is a slide. When you flip something, you'll have a line like this, and it's going to flip over. It can flip over in the same place too. This can be a flip. A turn, you will rotate this way or the other way, like this. One more time. Slide, flip, and turn. Let's say it together. Slide, flip, turn. Let's move on to the second page. For page 2, you have to look at the picture and tell if it's a slide, flip, or a turn. Let's try A together. Here's the first picture. Here's the second picture. Is it a slide? Is it a turn? Or a flip? Make sure it can look like it's a turn, but if you look where the dot is different, so you know it's not a turn, you know it is a flip. You will write flip. Let's try number 2. We know it's not a slide. Is it a turn? Yes, it is. The dot's in the same place, you know. So you will write turn. Last one. Is it a slide, turn, or a flip? Slide. So you will write slide. When you're writing, make sure you're writing cleanly on the line, not way up here or diagonal, not under the line either. Okay. You can do D, E, F all the way to L, and then we'll check the answer. So I'll stop the video here and then come back. Make sure you have a red pen ready so we can check answers. See you in a little bit.